What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to mirror or flip your iOS front camera. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up your settings application. From here, scroll down and tap on camera. In your camera settings, under composition, you have the option to enable or disable the mirror front camera option. When enabled, it will simply flip your front-facing camera for all apps as well as your built-in camera app. In case this option is not available to you, then make sure that you're running the latest iOS update. In your general settings, tap on Software Update. From here, proceed to download and install the latest update. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next.